Greetings everyone. In today's video, we will quickly resolve this issue. That is, we cannot install iTunes on this PC. Let's get started.
For more contents like this, please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon.
So we have downloaded iTunes from the official Apple website, that is support.apple.com/downloads/iTunes. But when we try to install it, we are getting this message. One or more users on this computer have installed iTunes from the Microsoft Store. All users must uninstall iTunes before this installation can continue. Hence, we cannot install iTunes. Basically, this means that your Microsoft Store has already installed iTunes. If you go to the Microsoft Store and search for iTunes, you can see that iTunes has been already installed by default. That's why we could not install it from the exe file we downloaded. And if I open this works all good. This is the main reason for iTunes installation failure from the exe file. But if you want to use this file to install iTunes, in case you could not update or if you are having an issue on the Microsoft Store. Anyway, for that, you'd first need to remove iTunes from your PC. But you will not find the iTunes in the control panel. Uninstall a program and look for iTunes. Since iTunes was downloaded from the Microsoft Store, it won't be available here on the C panel. Instead, go to the Start menu, type Apps and Features. This is the one, click on it, and here search iTunes. Here is it, click here and uninstall. Again uninstall. So iTunes has been removed, but you can still get it from the Microsoft Store later. Anyway, let's try to install it from here. So the installation is working. And here is the iTunes installed. We hope this video was useful. Thank you very much.